Hey, third grade. We have made it to the last week before Christmas break. And so we're going to have some fun in math this week, okay? Yesterday, you guys did a review over your unit assessment that we took on Friday. If you haven't done that, you need to do that because this assessment is going to be going in the grade book, and I want you to have the opportunity to do corrections. So if you have not finished those corrections and you haven't watched the videos and all of that stuff, you need to get that done today because it's really, really, really important, okay? But I'm going to give you a little bit about what we're going to be doing. Today is Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. I'm going to give you an idea of what these next 3 days are going to look like in math, okay? We're done with fractions. We're going to come back to them later on in the next semester, but we're done with them for now. So yay, you guys did awesome. I'm so proud of you. So now we're just going to have some fun for the rest of this week, okay? So for the rest of this week, we are going to be solving a mystery. Who stole Santa's sleigh? This is what we're going to be doing, okay? So, crime scene investigation. This is an interactive activity for you to use on your Chromebooks. It has editable parts, not edible, editable parts. Some parts you drag and other parts like boxes where you can click and write in. So some are drag and drop and some are clicking just like we have on our slides all the time, okay? Now, don't do this in presentation mode. Do this just like you always do in edit mode, okay? So, there's a little video for you guys to watch right here. Okay, and then this is your instructions, okay? It says, ooh, where should I move this? It says, yesterday a terrible thing happened. Santa's sleigh was stolen. Santa needs your help to find out who stole his sleigh. Who stole his sleigh? He needs it back before Christmas. You must succeed or else there will be no Christmas this year. The most likely suspects were gathered up and shown below. One of the suspects committed the crime. Use the evidence on the following pages to find out which one. Okay? So here are your suspects. Rudolph, Gingerbread Man, Santa's Elf, Mrs. Claus, Frosty, Christmas Ghost, Penguin Paul, or Christmas Bear. Okay? So, as you guys are solving, this is clue 1. It's a hidden message. So you're multiplying all of these, and then whatever you get here, letter A, whatever you get, you're going to go find the answer and type letter A. Okay? So wherever that answer is where you type the letter on this hidden message board. So, and it'll give you a possible answer. And then, so whatever you get after clue 1, so whoever you think it may or may not be from clue 1, you're going to move these X's. So like if you don't think it's Rudolph, you're going to put an X on Rudolph. And then at the end, you're going to have the person who stole Santa's sleigh. Okay? First solve the clues and then write who the culprit is. So who is the person that is guilty of doing this? All right? So this is what you guys are going to be doing today. This is all I want you doing today. Okay? This is what we're doing in math this week, and so this is all I want you doing today. I'm going to assign this whole thing to you at one time, and then you are going to come back every week or every day, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and do this. But I only want you doing this one thing today, okay? And then tomorrow on Wednesday, you guys are going to clue 2, magic to fly. So here's 9 magic lollipops. So 9 magic lollipops would equal 9 points because 1 magic lollipop is a point. 5 magic cookies. Cookies are 3 points, so 5 magic cookies would be 15 points. So again, you're doing some more multiplication, and then you're going to have to add all of these points together and give you the total magic points. And then the suspects with less than 30 magic points, you're going to put here. There's only 3 of them. So if you get more than 3 suspects with less than 30 points, you did something incorrect and you need to go back and correct it. Okay? These 3 suspects did not steal Santa's sleigh, so you would go back to this first slide, or to slide number 4, I'm sorry, and move an X over their name, okay? slide number, or clue number 3, I already did for you because we don't really know how to add fractions like this, and you won't learn this until 4th grade. So I did this one for you, but you guys can figure out the suspect who has the most amount of total fuel. And then same thing with clue number 4. You guys, I did this for you, and you can figure out the suspects with the least amount of total money. And you're going to put 2 of them there. So there's only 2. Okay, so this is going to be Thursday and Thursday. And then I also want to challenge you to do this one on Thursday. It is going to be a little bit of a challenge, but I definitely think you guys can do it. You are going to fill in each circle with the number from the number bank. So here are your numbers: 4, 13, 7, 12, 5, 6, 10, 3, 9, and 8. Each number can only be used one time. The 3 circles which connect to the middle star must have the numbers which add up to the middle number 24. So 2 plus something equals 24. 14 plus something equals 24. Okay? So just a little brain teaser. You can only use the numbers one time. Okay? Challenge you guys to do this. Please do it. It's fun. It just gets your brain going. But you must absolutely do this. Okay? Imagine you had Santa's sleigh for a day. Where would you go? What would you do? Write about your adventure below. You have to do this. All right? I need a minimum of 5 sentences. Okay? 5 complete sentences. Where would you go and what would you do? You have to answer those 2 questions in this video, in this paragraph. You just double click and you can type, okay? A minimum of 5 sentences, and you have to answer these 2 questions. So, and then you're going to be done. When you figure out this slide, you should know who stole Santa's sleigh. And then you will type it in down here who the culprit is, who the guilty person is. And then you can put your name here for solving the case of Santa's missing sleigh. So just to recap, this is a video that you need to watch. These are giving you your directions, and this is where you're going to move the X's over the people as you eliminate them because they are not the ones who stole Santa's sleigh. You're doing clue 1. You're doing clue 2. I did clue 3 and 4 for you, and then you're filling out these 2. So clue 1 is on Tuesday, which is today. Clue 2 is on Wednesdays tomorrow, and then these last 4 slides are going to be on Thursday. If you guys have any questions, send me a message. Let me know what I can do to help you. Again, you can still hop on office hours. If you need any help, send me a message. And I hope you guys have fun with this, and it just gets you a little refresher on some multiplication and some addition, which we haven't done in a while. All right, have fun.